biker doesn't approve such behavior, considering it gives bikers a bad reputation. This can happen when in a group there is a rider who doesn't keep the right distance. The driver, despite noticing the biker, doesn't give up and still stays on his side of the road.
¿No que tiene un paro?
The incomprehensible and dangerous behavior of the driver was met with a quick reaction from the group of bikers.
What's the thing? What's your problem?
Another driver who doesn't understand that the yellow lines shows the current route course.
Hey!
Next we have a few clips which show how careless drivers can get.
man. Bunch of
The driver had a lot of time to spot the biker and to refrain from joining the traffic.
Definition by the council, which is now being corrected. You're in the wrong place and you're destroying the countryside. Oi, fuck off with that bloody thing.
Look, I'm very sorry.
You behave yourself. That's
No,
your problem.
wait
You're
a
not
minute.
behaving yourself.
Well, we are. We're not breaking any laws.
It's just an ancient footpath. It's an ancient right-of-way. When you take the bike to there, it's very muddy. The trees are blocked. It's doing a lot of damage. You're having to go around ways that aren't on the path. And please, for respect to the countryside and nature and everything else, I'm asking you if you could just find somewhere, a forestry track or something that is more appropriate. Because you will find when you go up...
Is appropriate. A forestry track
It is not appropriate because if you look very closely at the map, there
It's
are
only 4
listen
foot
to me.
wide.
That regardless of the width of the thing,
It's defined.
parts of the footpath, parts of the so-called...
Is there any
Listen
signs
to
at the top of
me,
it saying...
Parts of the so-called unclassified county
There's no
road
signs.
split into footpaths, which you're not allowed on. So you're going along a bit, then it becomes a footpath, then it becomes a road, then we go... So essentially, it's all wrong by virtue of the council.
Yeah, they
Well, why
make-
don't you take all our regis down and report us?
Well, yes, we will. Go and get a camera, Vicky. Then take, well, quick, go and
And
get
then
a
as we
camera.
got...
No,
we can
I
sort
don't
this out
want
another
to
way.
No, you can't sort it out
On the
by
bit of
that
the
thing.
footpaths, we can listen.
Oh, I get as excited as I want to, thank
Or
you.
I'll shout back at you.
Go on then. We'll have a good match.
Right, where's the sign? Where's the sign?
2 signs at the bottom
Yeah,
of the road.
that-
First, no entry. Second,
That's
no
not
entry.
that's not a no entry.
There are 2 signs at the top.
It means
which
it's a
you
dead
lot
end.
kicked off.
No.
When it's
We've
second.
taken it off. I've never been here
You
before.
type of people kicked off.
What type of... Oh,
Oh,
Well,
it's
no,
time
you
to
see,
time.
Yeah,
no,
your
you
type
come
of
to a
people
gate.
who want to
Wait a
destroy the
minute.
countryside with these bloody things.
Let me show you the map.
You come to a
I
gate.
don't want to see the map.
I'll show you. Well, hang on,
I'll tell
I've
you
got
what
my
to do.
glasses
I
on.
know where it is. I don't.
I
need
know
to see
what
the
it says
Can
on...
you see the green dots?
Yes, the
They
green...
are UCR, unclassified country road, which is
Yeah,
what we're
and
trying
you
to
have
do.
to ask the
Intersected by
council...
footpath.
I know what... Yeah.
They're not though on
It's
this.
undefined.
Well, that's your problem with your.
This is OS map.
I don't care.
I know,
It's
and they got it
wrong.
wrong.
Thanks for watching till the end. I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.